Hello, I'm Martin from Ashby's, and you join me in the middle of a COVID-19 UK-wide lockdown. One day it will end, hopefully. But anyway, we have a new product in which could help. I'm being filmed here by my able assistant Alana. Say hello, Alana.
Hi.
She's whipped out her iPhone, which means it's time to do another video, apparently, for this product. And it is a product that really, it quite excited me actually. It is a multi-purpose general hard surface cleaner for anything that's non-porous. Now that's pretty boring, I know, but this one kills 99.99% of the coronavirus and its enveloped coronaviruses, as well as killing 99.999% of all germs. So that is, quite a feat really. One product does a lot, so cleans and sanitizes. It's sold in 5 litres. It needs a 5-minute contact time to dwell and work its magic on all the nasties. But after that, you simply wipe it away, rinsing with a cloth, wringing it out and wiping it away so that it's residue free and you've left with a clean, sanitized area. Now, you can clean anything pretty much that's non-porous. It's safe on most things. So it's food safe, it's non-tainting, it's not been tested on animals. You can clean door handles with it, letterboxes with it, rails and railings with it. You can clean walls with it, hard surfaces, tables, floors, bathrooms, kitchens, chopping boards. I've decanted some down even into, one of these Mercury 1 litre sprayers. I don't know if you want to come around here and have a little look at this, Alana. These are good quality sprayers that we sell. You get what you paid for. We do cheaper ones as well though. But when you squeeze it, it sprays. When you release the trigger mechanism, it also sprays as well. And it's got 360 degree sort of use. So when you are spraying up into things, it still works. So that's a great sprayer to apply this product. It's the one that I would recommend. But you can apply it with any sprayer. It just needs to simply dwell for 5 minutes on the product. On the surface that you're trying to decontaminate. And this product as well is made in the UK. So UK company has made this, which I like as well. Making carpet cleaning machines here in the UK. So we like that. And they spent a lot of money having this tested, which, sorry to get you back, Alana, we've got some leaflets here, look, which are all downloadable from our website as PDFs. We have here directions for use, which is a really nice leaflet that you can give out to your staff. Almost the sort of thing you can put up on the wall. Shows you visually how to use it. Very, very clear, simple instructions. You have your material safety data sheet, your MSD sheet there, which is also downloadable. And you can show that to your customer should they need it or want to keep a copy of it. You also have more detailed product use information there as well. And the great thing is you've even got a copy of the test sheet from the testing house. So you have everything you need to back up your claims and keep your customer's mind at rest when you're doing the job of cleaning and sanitizing for them. But like I say, there aren't many products out there which claim to do 99.99% of coronavirus and coronaviruses by envelope. So yeah, that's a great product. It's available to order now online. You've got the details for that at the bottom of the screen here. You've got our telephone number should you need to call. The sheets are downloadable from our website as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you've got any questions, please give us a ring.